Welcome to Educasa International, empowering minds and shaping futures. If you find our content helpful, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Introduction to Study Visa Process for Italy. Planning to study in Italy? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the study visa process smoothly. Step 1. Choose your university and program. First, select the university and program you wish to apply for. Ensure that the university is recognized by the Italian Ministry of Education and offers courses in English if you're not proficient in Italian. Step 2. Apply to the university. Submit your application to the chosen university. You'll need to provide documents such as transcripts, a statement of purpose, letters of recommendation, and proof of language proficiency. Once accepted, you will receive an admission letter, which is crucial for your visa application. Step 3. Determine the type of visa. There are two types of student visas for Italy: short-stay visa, type C, for courses or programs lasting less than 90 days, and long-stay visa, type D, for programs longer than 90 days. Step 4. Prepare your visa application. Gather the required documents for your visa application: valid passport, completed visa application form, recent passport-sized photographs, admission letter from the university, proof of financial means to support your stay, health insurance coverage, proof of accommodation in Italy, return flight ticket or itinerary. Step 5. Submit your application. Schedule an appointment with the Italian consulate or embassy in your home country. Submit your application and pay the visa fee. You may also be required to attend an interview. Step 6. Await the decision. The processing time for a student visa can vary, so apply well in advance. Once your visa is approved, you'll receive a visa sticker in your passport. Step 7. Upon arrival in Italy. Within 8 days of arriving in Italy, you must apply for a residence permit, permesso di soggiorno, at your local post office. This permit allows you to stay in Italy for the duration of your studies. Tips for a smooth visa process. Start early. Begin your application process at least 3 months before your course starts. Check for updates. Visa requirements can change, so always check the latest information on the official consulate or embassy website. Keep copies. Make copies of all your documents for your records. Conclusion. The study visa process may seem daunting, but with careful preparation and timely application, you can ensure a smooth journey to studying in Italy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Educasa International for more educational content. Together, let's empower minds and shape a brighter future.